Hi, I'm Aaron with Archer Landscape Design, and I want to share something with you that is incredibly important and something that most homeowners don't realize until they've gone through a difficult experience with a design-only firm. It's about accountability. Who truly stands behind the design you're paying for, and what happens if the plan doesn't work once construction begins? Here's the honest truth. In almost every design only situation, the person who creates the plan is not the person responsible for building it. And that separation leads to problems 100% of the time. The designer creates the drawing, the contractor tries to build it, and when something doesn't match in the real world, the measurements, the grading, the access, the budget, you're the one stuck between them. The designer says that's what the client wants. The contractor says that's the plans can't be built. And the homeowner ends up holding the bag in the end. We refuse to put our clients in that position. At Archer, we are a true design build firm. That means we design what we're going to build and we build what we're going to design. And because of that, we do something almost no one else in the industry does. We stand behind our design 100% of the time with a buildable plan guarantee. When you place your design retainer with us, here's what we promise. If we design it, we can build it. If we price it, we stand behind it with a price based on as drawn. And if adjustments are needed, we take responsibility, not you. Your design retainer isn't just payment for drawings, it's a commitment that protects you from inaccurate measurements, unrealistic design ideas, inflated construction costs, the designer versus the contractor battle, and plans that look great on paper but fail in the field. Because we walk every inch of your property, we study your drainage, utilities, access, slope, soil, structure, everything that affects the build. We don't guess. We don't hand off your plans to strangers. We don't leave you exposed when things get complicated. Clients who have worked with design-only firms before know exactly what I'm talking about. Those clients look at our design retainer and say, this is an unbelievable value. How are you providing this at this price? But homeowners who haven't ever experienced that other side yet sometimes don't understand what they're avoiding. The delays, the rework, the thousands of extra dollars, and the frustration of being caught in the middle with no one accountable. At Archer, we take full responsibility for the design, the plan, and the outcome. You're not paying for drawings, you're paying for certainty. We guarantee the plans we give you are buildable, precise, and aligned with the investment you're comfortable with. Before construction ever begins, that's real accountability, and that's what a true design build firm should provide. Thank you.